Realme GT 7 Pro, which just launched, is a flagship phone packed with top features. It comes with a new fast refresh rate LTPO Samsung display, the world's most powerful mobile processor, an IP69 waterproof rating, and an impressive periscope telephoto camera, among other highlights. Friends, today I'll share the unboxing and review of the Realme GT 7 Pro, which has just been released. Hey everyone, I'm Maiky from techmaiky. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more great tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the box for the Realme GT 7 Pro. First, we'll remove the plastic from the box and open the lid. Inside, we find a 120-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, a white Type-C to Type-A data cable that supports 12-ampere power output, and some user manuals. There's also a black protective case. Let's remove the protective wrap and talk about the design and build of the phone. Here is the Realme GT 7 Pro, and it comes in a dark orange color. The first look of the phone doesn't feel very high-end. The back has some textures and is made of frosted glass, giving it a silky touch. Besides this color, there are two more options available, and among the three, orange and white look the most attractive. The protective case is black, and you'll also see some orange on the camera module. The phone frame is made of aerospace aluminum and has a dark brown color. The edges of the screen are slightly curved. The phone is 8.55 millimeters thick, which is a bit more, but it also has a huge 6500 mAh battery, so the thickness is okay considering the battery size. Now, talking about the display, the phone has a maximum manual brightness of 1077 nits, a maximum auto brightness of 1600 nits, and can reach up to 2200 nits in bright conditions. This means the visibility outdoors will be excellent. This phone has a Samsung display, which shows very little light reflection. This type of display is usually found in high-end flagship phones. The Realme GT 7 Pro is the first phone to come with this display technology, so thanks to Samsung for providing such a great display. This time, the screen also offers next-level eye protection. You can see the results here. They stay consistent even in different lighting conditions. This is because the Realme GT 7 Pro has hardware-level eye protection and DC dimming features. This time, a Samsung micro-curved screen is used, giving you a flat screen experience for gaming. This makes it one of the best screens for gaming. Now, let's talk about gaming on this phone. First, we'll test a heavy game. We can play Genshin Impact at high resolution with 60 FPS. Plus, there are many other functions available. You can even play Genshin Impact at super high resolution, with options ranging from 800p to 1080p. After playing Genshin Impact at 60 FPS for 30 minutes, the average frame rate is about 59.9, and the back of the phone can reach a maximum temperature of 43.3 degrees. You can also use the game frame insertion function here. At 1080p resolution and 60 FPS, you will feel very comfortable while gaming. The temperature and performance results show that the Snapdragon 8 Elite is a super powerful processor. The phone also has an extra-large dual VC cooling system, which helps maximize performance. This time, the phone also has advanced network communication technology, so if you are in a low network area, like a parking lot, the network will still be better. Now, talking about the battery, it has a huge 6500 mAh battery and supports 120 watts charging. I will discuss the battery endurance test in detail in another video. For the charging test, in just 10 minutes, the battery charges to 49%, and it takes about 35 minutes to reach 100% charge. Now let's talk about the camera of the Realme GT 7 Pro. The main camera has a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor with a size of 1.56 inches. The secondary camera also has a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor, which is 1.95 inches. The third camera is an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide camera, and this ultra-wide sensor is a bit ordinary. You can see sample photos here. The telephoto camera is just as powerful as the main camera, and it provides a solid zooming effect. this time, the camera is outstanding, but there is one drawback. You can't take macro shots. However, there are many other features. You can capture underwater photos because the phone has IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance ratings. There is also a specific mode for underwater photo capturing. When you turn on the underwater mode, you will see several instructions as well. The phone has a security feature with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that unlocks quickly. The placement of the sensor is also in a good position. The Realme GT 7 Pro runs on Realme UI 6.0, which is based on Android 15. This UI offers very smooth animations, and it also has a nice feature called Fluid Cloud Notifications. Now, let's talk about the price of the Realme GT 7 Pro. The base variant starts at 3,599 Chinese yuan in China. In the UK, it costs £391, and in the USA, it is around $507. In conclusion, the Realme GT 7 Pro is an all-rounder phone. In this price range, you get excellent battery life and a superb periscope telephoto camera. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is also expensive, so the phone's price is higher compared to its predecessor. Overall, the phone is great for gaming and has an excellent camera. So, what do you think about it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.